This video will cover basic authorization headers and custom headers. Sometimes a buyer will require you to pass an authorization token, an API key, or an accept header. To add a header, go to your buyer's configuration, scroll down to custom headers, and simply add the key and value. Before we get started, please remember that some headers don't need to be added. The most common ones are content length and host. If your buyer wants an accept header, then you would enter something like this: key accept and value application/JSON. Make sure that your keys never contain quotation marks, as these will make the key invalid. If your buyer is looking for an authorization, the key would say something like authorization, and the value would be something like bearer token. Another common example that is often seen in API specs is basic authorization. In this case, you will receive a username and password from your buyer. The way to get the real token value for the basic authorization header is to go to a website that does base64 encode, enter your username and password, and click encode. So for example, if you received a username of API and a password of MySecretPassword, once you encode those, you'll be given a value that you will copy and paste into the value section of your custom header. Those are the three most common examples of headers you will see and how to add them in LeadProsper. As always, if you have any questions, please make use of the support button or email us at support@leadprosper.io.